Chief Executive Member Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC uba Titas W Khan hakasgin kong ka dorbar liur jong ka yeng dabar tawan ka council men hakan rutrik jeliu arjar fuar ulawara biange Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill arjar fuar kakai pot na ka Executive Committee Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill arjakat pra uba Titas loong bai kani ka bill wanrah ka yeng dabar tawan ka council haka arfau trek unai wieng arjakat pra bat bunjur pat dagayeng aka arfo artarik nai wieng arjakat pra bat pha eka ulat na banta ban yo ka jumanjur handrai ulat la pan pha eka ban pej bini abiang hakan rutrik cumang arjaka khandai ka executive committee jong council kla thawi ka advisory committee on law and traditional affairs ban pej bini abiang ka bill bat ajingmut ye ka executive committee halor ki kattu kan ni ki banta daga bapente bala bu ene ka bill ka website jong council ban yo ik ching ajingmut ulong ba kila don ki jing ajingmut nai kunhur ba fer ki be dei bat ka bill handrai la kan tai no ik ching ajingmut na ka sengkhong rempei thamai ba Michael CEM halor ki brio ki ba ai pa nomor ka bill gadai na mata ka matrilineal system ne kar komshim chaj na ka kmi ka ba chule di khasi ka executive committee ha jingelang ka nyutrek cumang archar fuar klai tai bat ye kren bania halor kai phat na ka advisory committee haror ka bill archar khat pra khamadian ka executive committee kala pangkhre copy ni jor hapeng ka bill archar khat pra bat ka bill archar fuar ye ka ba ka advisory committee kala pangkhre ban aish KMDC ban yo ik chungun tho hanrei ki khlamai ka executive committee kala yet bnia halor kai phat chung advisory committee bat rai ba deban pha pan phai biang no ka bill asakat pra bat bu buchuli de koi pat kata Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill arjar far rengkat ki katto kan ni ching pen bai ki blak kadau dak committee u chairman ka council uba lam phrang bla ula pentep bai ka bill ansara ya ta ya ka pratarik unaitung arjar arfuar
I beg leave to report that the Khasi Hills Autonomous Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2018 was introduced by the Council in session on the 20th November 2018 and was passed on the 22nd November 2018. It was then forwarded to the Governor for assent. However, the Governor by message dated 6 May 2019 returned the bill for reconsideration. The Executive Committee Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council had then constituted the Advisory Committee on Law and Traditional Affairs to re-examine the bill and to advise the Executive Committee with concrete suggestions. The said bill was posted in the Council website for views and opinion, where various groups Sengkhasi Kmi, Sengkur Khasiying, Sengkur Suting, Sengkhong Rempei Themai, New Trap Youth Council, Soyong Circle, Sengkur Khabat, Sri Michael CEM had submitted their views and suggestions, some of which have been incorporated in the proposed bill. The proposal of Sengkhong Rempei Themai and Sri Michael CEM, that persons who adopted their father's surname, was however not accepted by the Advisory Committee, as the bill itself is based on the material system of lineage practiced by the Khasi. The Executive Committee in its meeting held on 7/3/2022 had discussed and considered the report of the Advisory Committee in the matter pertaining to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2018. Thereafter, the Executive Committee deemed necessary to send the comparative copy of aforementioned Bill 2018 and the proposed Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022, which had been prepared by the Advisory Committee to all the honorable members, which was communicated by letter number DC 27 General 119 2018-22/13 dated 5/4/2022 for views and comments, and the same was not received from any member. The Executive Committee has gone through the report of the Advisory Committee and decided that the Khasi Hills Autonomous Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2018 should be recalled and replaced by a fresh bill with some modification as advised by it. Therefore, to enable the Executive Committee to introduce the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022, the Khasi Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2018 may be recalled, placed before the Council for consideration.
The report is placed before the House. Can you have your report? CM, please move for leave to introduce the bill now.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to move that leave be granted to introduce the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022.
Motion moved is that leave be granted to introduce the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022. Can you interpret? So leave to introduce the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 is granted. Please introduce the bill now.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to introduce the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 has now been introduced. Please move for consideration of the bill.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to move that the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 be now taken into consideration.
Motion moved is that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 be now taken into consideration. The motion is before the House. La discuss tang general principle jong bill hakni for kat kung rule. The amendment they will propose shall secretary hal miswa kasau baji jan ni jong kan riu tarik new arjar atwar but on consider the bill clause by clause hakapran new arjar atwar.